Hello friends, welcome to the Regular channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS TUF Gaming WQHD Gaming LCD. So friend, ASUS unveiled the TUF Gaming VG27AQM1A monitor. This display boasts a 260Hz high-speed refresh rate and the LCD panel adopts a Fast IPS technology with an 1 millisecond G2G response time. It incorporates advanced display synchronization features including adaptive sync, NVIDIA G-Sync Compatibility and AMD FreeSync Premium along with ELMB Sync to eliminate ghosting and tearing. Furthermore, it introduced shadow boost which enhance the visibility in dark regions without affecting bright areas, and additional features such as flicker-free reduce screen flickering while low blue light minimize the blue light radiation. And the key specification include a 1000 1 contrast ratio 400 cadmium per meter square. And friend, the key specification include a 1000 1 contrast ratio 400 cadmium per meter square, brightness 90% DCIPs, recolor gamut, VESA Display HDR 400 for high dynamic range, reach palette of 1073.7 million colors and 178-degree viewing angle both horizontally and vertically, and connectivity option consists of one DisplayPort 1.4, two HDMI 2.0 ports, one earphone jack, one audio output, one USB 2.0 service port, and additionally it features built-in watt into two stereo speakers, and the stand provides a versatile -5 to 20 degree tilt adjustment, and the VESA non-conformity is 100 by 100 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. शेयर किए दो, बाकी रखो, पापा चले भी गए.